Set up your proportion. So, guys, what's the initial ratio that it gives you? Because remember, that's always the best place to start. So what does it tell us? What's the first thing it tells us? 9 months to 6 days. So there's a good starting point for your proportion, right? So I would start with that. Okay, Kylie, if those are the same ratio, shouldn't they be on the same fraction? That's how do we write a proportion, Brian? Okay, where'd you get 4?
So you have 2 years. How many months?
You told me 9.
Are going to be in
there we go. Okay, so if you're matching days to days,
no, you don't need days. How many
are you trying to find days, or do they give you days? So what you're trying to find?
24.
X.
So you have 24 months and 9
Okay,
months.
and on the bottom,
Line up months to months, right?
what do we need?
You have
To how many months?
9 months over
Is this a percent question? Can't just throw 100 in there. Where'd you get 24, Brian?
and then that. Okay, and then where's your
It says how many in 2 years, right, guys? And if you have months here, you can't put a 2 here. How many months are there in 2 years?
days, right? And this is months.
24. Go there.
You're right. Line up months to months. Okay, does that make sense? So we have over here. That's X. That's what you're solving for, right? There you go. Okay, so you have.
Do you guys get this one?
I got 16.
16.
I don't know.
What'd you guys get?
We don't know. We don't know. Oh, that's for
You don't
1
know.
year. So 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. That's for 1 year.
What?
I guess right.
Do you have an answer?
I'm not following your guys' work here. 9 to 6, I agree with that. What does 9 represent? Months. So you took it a year at a time and then multiplied by 2. Okay. You could have just made this 24. There's 24 months in 2 years. But either way works, right? That's what you did.
Okay, they got 16 days.
Amen.
I take it that means you agree.
Isn't that what A
Okay,
means?
Addison,
Redo?
do you agree, disagree? What do you think? They said 16 days? Okay, Andrea, you agree? Okay, let's see. Okay, very good.
I like turtles.
All right. That was 500?
We might have to do like one last speed question or something.
All right, here's what we're going to do. This is going to be the last question, okay? Oh, yeah, that should be fine.
Boy,
It's
you're
fine.
showing this.
Okay. Okay, we're just going to do the mystery for 500, okay? Your whole group gets to work on it, and if you get it right, you get 5 points, okay? So raise your hand when you have it.
Like any group?
Right, 77
Every group.
over 123 as a percent, and round to the nearest tenth.
One after the decimal.
Okay.
Change a fraction to a percent.
So you're making the fraction to a percent, and you're rounding to the nearest tenth. And when you think you have it, raise your hand, and everyone pretend needs to have it, and you have like 2 minutes. So go fast.
That's all I can do.
What?
How do you make a fraction a percent? What do you want the denominator to equal?
100%.
And you're trying to figure out the top, so what goes on top then? What was that? X, because that's what I'm trying to find out.
So, that's over 100.
Equals.
So you divide this.
Okay, you've got 1 minute.
Okay.
What goes on the other side?
It's over.
Fraction.
There's no up.
X.
60? 65. That doesn't make sense.
Right there.
So you're right. That's X over 100. Okay? Now you're going to solve. Okay, 30 seconds.
As you guys leave, I will hand you the answers to your homework tonight. It's the practice test. Okay, so I'll just see you by the door since we're probably going to be running low on time.
I don't go to
Always. No, you may not just copy my answers. Okay? And if you want to come after school and study, we can do that today. Okay, next time you come, we have a test.
Anyone?
Nobody?
Nobody has
I don't even get it.
Some long division, huh?
Long.
Can we use the calculator? Yeah.
You're only one step away. It says round to the nearest tenth.
No, but that's not the answer. It's 492.
Subtract.
We can you know what?
Keep going. Remember, drop down to 0. You have to round to the 10th, so you only got one more to go. Cooper's almost there. Just remember, we add a decimal and a 0. So how many times does it go into 580? That's going to be your decimal point.
Okay, I'm going to pop up the answer just so you can see what it would have been, okay? Okay, you should have gotten 62 points.
Well, I had 62. I had 62.
Oh, you were over.
Okay, okay.
So we can. Yeah.